I am a mobile network operator. I want to expand by building a LoRa WAN network covering the entire city, using it to offer services to customers. Potential clients include, among others, real estate companies requiring building management throughout the city, who need to monitor their properties in real time. A mixture of indoor and outdoor gateways is provisioned via the RAK store. And they build up the backbone network, which provides full coverage without any dead spots. This citywide network covers indoor areas like shopping malls, factories, and offices, as well as outdoor spaces such as parks, parking lots, and pedestrian zones. This variety of case scenarios presents an opportunity to further introduce smart city applications. For example, monitoring real estate via environmental sensors, thus ensuring the environment remains optimal for the longevity of the property. As the network is citywide, it needs to be remotely monitored 24/7, done via WizDM by simply logging into the platform with a RAK ID, where you'll be presented with the status of all the gateways that are part of the network. RAK provides ready-to-use solutions for LP1 network deployment and management.